Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will read Lesson 17. We need clean air. When we look around us, we see things in and through the air, but we can't see the air itself. We can't see it or taste it, but it is everywhere. We can feel the air when it moves and blows against our face as a breeze. A layer of air surrounds our earth. It is called atmosphere. The atmosphere is very important for life on earth. Air is a mixture. Air is a mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. It also contains water vapor and dust particles. In chapter 12, we learned that water vapor is the gas that is formed when water is heated. Air contains dust particles. Try this. Put off all lights in your room at night. Switch on a torch. You will see dust particles floating in the air, shining in the torchlight. Different uses of air. Air is needed for breathing. Oxygen is in the air is used by all living beings for breathing. Without oxygen, there would be no life on earth. We must breathe in clean air to be healthy. When the air becomes too dirty or polluted, it becomes uncomfortable to breathe. Harmful smoke given out by fires and vehicles pollutes the air, affecting our breathing. We may breathe in substances that make us sick. These may cause eye irritation, coughing, asthma attacks, and breathing problems. Especially among young children and old adults like our grandparents. Pollution harms plants as well as animals. It can poison trees and crops and make animals sick. So clean air is essential for a long and healthy life. Air is needed for burning. The oxygen present in the air helps us in burning things. Try this. Take a candle, fix it in a jar and light it. If you cover the candle with a glass, after some time the candle stops burning because all the oxygen present in the air in the jar has been used up. In the absence of oxygen, the candle stops burning. This shows that if there is no air, things don't burn. Without air, there will be no fire, and we will not be able to cook or burn fuels for various activities in our daily life. What makes air dirty? Smoke from the burning of leaves, rubber, rubbish, or other things. Exhaust fumes from buses, cars, scooters, and other vehicles. Smoke from factory chimneys. Speeding cars that raise dust on roads. Cigarette smoke. Harmful gases released by spray cans, refrigerators, and air conditioners called aerosols. What can we do to keep the air clean? Walk or ride a cycle when we can. Use public transport such as buses, metros, and local trains. Carpool. Reduce the use of sprays. Do not burn dead leaves. Compost them. Get a pollution check in our cars and use unleaded petrol and CNG. Understood? This is about we need clean air. Tomorrow we will see the exercise part of this lesson. Okay? Thank you.